In this video, we'll show you how to perform general maintenance on your Santa Fe dehumidifier. This will help prevent problems and keep the unit operating at peak performance. Today we're using a Santa Fe Compact 70, but these steps can be used on any Santa Fe dehumidifier. Our first maintenance item is filter changes. We recommend checking the filter every 3 to 6 months. The filter should be bright white in color. If your filter starts to turn gray, brown, or black in color like this one, it's time to change the filter. The next maintenance item is drain hose cleaning. We recommend that you do this every 3 months when you're checking the filter. Over time, the drain hose will build up with debris and slime. You'll see the color change colors like this one here. A cleaning chemical will need to be put down the drain hose to flush this out. If not, the water could back up in the hose. Any chemical with antimicrobial properties can be used, such as vinegar or bleach. To clean the hose, it is usually easiest to use a sports squirt bottle with your cleaner of choice. Pull the drain hose off and pour the chemical down the hose. After the drain chemical has been put in, you can reconnect the hose. Our final maintenance item is coil cleaning. If you use the correct filter and perform the correct filter maintenance, your coil should not need to be cleaned. If it does need to be cleaned, you can remove this filter and you will see the evaporator coil behind the filter. You would see dirt on here. We do not recommend using harsh chemicals on the coil because it can promote corrosion. Using compressed air, a soft coil brush, or warm water on the coil is recommended. As an alternative option to cleaning, the hose can be replaced. Use a 5/8 inside diameter hose, which can be purchased from a local hardware store.